Welcome back to Aaron's 1025R Adventures. I'm shooting a few series of videos tonight dealing with similar topics on my backhoe. So therefore you'll see my same sweaty shirt, my same hat, my same pants in multiple videos right here. I came home from work. It was a sweaty, nasty day at work. Once I got called out on the floor, I had several packages waiting for me dealing with my backhoe. So I decided to shoot several videos tonight. So this will be on the Bxpanded ripper tooth. So this video is just going to show the ripper tooth. I don't have a project lined up right now for this evening. I will put it on my backhoe and then show you how easy it is. We'll talk a little bit about why you want a ripper tooth, why I like the Bxpanded stuff, and then sometime in the near future, it's about a week before, it's about 4 days before 4th of July right now, so it'll probably be sometime after 4th of July. I have some stumps to pull up, and then you'll get some action shots of this ripper tooth. So there's my backhoe with my Bxpanded quick attachment on it, which I just shot the video for. This is my ripper tooth from Bxpanded. I put a little protective sleeve over the end of it for shipping. I ordered this and the quick attach about 6 weeks ago. There's no real way to confirm anything on the website once you order it, other than it shows it was ordered. And they said it would take about 6 weeks, which it did. And some other people on the forums were talking about them. They were having the same results. It's hard to track your order because there wasn't really any tracking, but it arrived when they said it would. Or it arrived very close to when they said it would. Whoops. I'm surprised that wasn't tightened. I, of course, just put away my wrench and socket because I made the assumption, whoops, that I wouldn't need them. I got a speed wrench and a regular wrench here. So this bottom pin, let me adjust it down a little more. This bottom pin on this ripper tooth stays on here all the time for the quick attach. Actually, this might not work. No. Of course not. Tools. Is my 9/16 socket. This is part of the laugh and enjoy. You can laugh at me searching for my tools and enjoy getting a beer while you're waiting. Of course, if you're of age to have a beer. Okay, this is a lock nut, so we don't need Loctite on here. You know I'm a big fan of blue Loctite. Alright, so that's tight. And we should be done with those tools. So, theoretically, all you do is you pull this pin. It was a little tight going in my other video. I got a pin punch here. I've used and enjoyed my bucket, I haven't used it a whole lot, so things are still pretty tight on. That's it. Let me get more grease on me. That'll make the old lady happy. Okay. So with the quick attach, you don't have to undo the top pin. And since that just uses a lunch pin instead of a bolt on this side, you really don't need any tools. So normally, you just unhook from it with the tractor. So you got a nice hooking mechanism on the back to grab a root and pull it. And the thing about the ripper teeth, and this in general, is our little backhoes only has so much force. We know this. We know it takes a little longer to do stuff. So this, I don't know the number off the top of my head. For simplicity, let's say it put out a whopping 1,200 pounds of force. I know it doesn't. I have a 12-inch bucket. So for every inch across my bucket, I would put 100 pounds of force. 12 inches across times 100 is 1,200 pounds of pressure. That's why I'm using 1,200 for simplicity. This is an inch apart. So for 1 inch, I'm concentrating all 1,200 pounds on that. That's why it's called a ripper tooth. You know what? Dagnabbit. They slid that in there. It should have been slid in the other one. No wonder they left it loose. Silly me. I gotta take the bolt back out. And of course I grabbed my ratchet without the ball on it, so my socket keeps dropping. Oh, there we just had a nice cool breeze blow by. It's getting awfully cloudy. I was afraid it was going to rain. I haven't done a video in a while because I've been busy and just basically lazy. I don't see how Tractor Time with Tim and Mike Morgan and Stony Ridge Farmer and all those boys get out their videos so quick. Of course, I'm still learning the process and still learning to edit. There, that should go in this top one. So it goes, hooks in this top hook, and the pin with the winch goes in the bottom. Like I said, after 4th of July, I gotta pop out some stumps that I have and some stumps that my neighbor has. And I just got going through a process of making sure I have insurance coverage to help my neighbor out. There we go. Did I mention this has been a hot, sticky day? Things haven't been quite going. They've been going normal. Yeah, let's just call it that. Especially for being on camera. There we go. This actually slides together a little better than my stock bucket did. And voila! Our ripper tooth is now attached. Tune back in the future. See it in action. Oh yeah, I am. It'll actually probably be about a month. Hope you like these videos. Hope you enjoy them. Hit subscribe. And have a good evening.